All right, it is cold and rainy here, probably 50 degrees outside. I thought it'd be a good day for us to cook some fish. I've got some wild caught pollock, and we're gonna do a cheesy herb crusted pollock. All right, now my recipe is in grams and stuff, so we're gonna wing that one. So we got 75 grams of breadcrumbs. Best I can remember, about 28 or 30 grams is an ounce. It's been 20 years since I've been to a country that used the metric system. So we got 50 grams of finely shredded cheddar cheese. We need 4 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. I guess 4 tablespoons is about a handful, right? We need 1 clove of garlic. All right. We need a 1/4 teaspoon of Cornish sea salt. I don't really know what the hell that is, so I'm using kosher sea salt I've just ground, and black pepper, and probably a teaspoon of dill. $25 grams of melted butter. So we're going to go with an ounce. All right, there's our topping. I think it probably should be a little more moist, but we're going to go with what we got. So, our throwaway baking sheet, we're going to need a little olive oil. We've got our fish fillets. That looks pretty good. So we're going to pop this in the oven at 220 degrees Celsius. I'm guessing about 400. And I'll let you guys know how long it takes. Yeah, you Americans will do anything to keep from using the metric system. Come within 3 wells of our coast, buddy. Out of the oven. It turned out really nice. So we've got us a bed of rice. I think that went as much with just skin. Gonna hit it with splint. That's delicious. Not too fishy. Crust is good and crunchy. Goes real good with the butter herb rice. We'll take that on any cold day.